Let's talk about ZBCN real quick. ZBCN is currently trading around 0.0037. The ZBCN price hasn't been moving recently. I think it's all as a result of the entire market sentiment. The entire cryptocurrency market sentiment, fear and greed index is now seated at 50%, indicating neutral. Yesterday was neutral. Last week was fear. So a lot of people are sitting on their hands, and the probability of getting a US government shutdown in 2025 has now increased. The probability of US government shutdown in October 1st, 2025 has now increased as well. We are going to be talking about all this shortly in this video. The truth of the matter is ZBCN is not the only asset that is not moving at the moment. Almost the entire 90-something% of altcoins are in an indecisive phase. They are just consolidating, moving sideways. We are not getting any aggressive pump, neither are we getting any aggressive dump. So there's no cause for alarm at all. ZBCN is in the decision zone where we got our last entry filled. Before we proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. For those here to like this video, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Like this video if you haven't already. Now, the moment ZBCN is losing this decision zone, which is between 0.0041 and also 0.0035, I'm going to turn bearish, unfortunately, for ZBCN. You get, but as long as we are still consolidating in that zone, there's no cause for alarm at all. As a matter of fact, we are almost at the finish line, and there's definitely going to be light at the end of the tunnel. This is my BTC long entry setup on the lower time frame. BTC is currently trading around $113,103. By the time BTC drops to $112,321 technically, my long entry is going to get triggered, and the stop loss is $111,850. The stop loss is very, very tight, pretty tight. You get just a 0.42% move to the downside. That is the stop loss. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC CME gap, you would notice we have a CME gap between $111,330 and $109,980. Now, the only time the my BTC long entry setup will get invalidated, this is on the lower time frame, by the way. The only time it will get invalidated is if we don't get a bounce from this liquidity pool right here to the upside, you get, and maybe BTC just want to dump directly to fill the CME gap. So by the time BTC invalidates this entry, then we should begin to expect BTC to drop aggressively to fill this CME gap right here. I won't be surprised if it happens today, because today is Tuesday. By the way, before I proceed, once again, if you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, like this video, smash the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. Now, if you're paying attention to the Ethereum chart on the weekly time frame, Ethereum is currently trading around $4,163, and by the time Ethereum season cools down a little bit, then we should begin to expect orders, which is the entire cryptocurrency market cap, excluding the top 10 to top 15 cryptos in the crypto space, BTC included. You get, now the orders chart market cap is currently seated below the resistance level, which is around $305 billion. We are currently trading around $298 billion for the orders chart. Now we need to see the orders chart flipped the $305 billion on into a support to continue her rally to the upside, just like Ethereum did few weeks ago. Now the orders chart is obviously lagging behind Ethereum. And if you're paying attention to the entire chart, you will notice the orders chart is clearly similar to the Ethereum chart. That is to say, sooner or later, we are going to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. Ethereum is now currently in her season after lagging behind BTC for several months. Now, the moment Ethereum cools down a little bit, the orders chart, which is meme coin, all the rest of the altcoins are going to begin to rally as well. Like seriously, we are going to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. The tendency, probability, and chance of the US government shutdown by October 1st, 2025 is now stated at 78%. The chances of US government shutdown in 2025 as a whole is currently seated at 84%. The last time we checked, it was around 60 something percent, right? That is, the chances has increased. From the research I've done so far, the market is indecisive. A lot of people don't actually know what is going to happen, whether it's going to be bullish or bearish for the entire cryptocurrency market. If you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market sentiment, fear, and greed index, we are currently seated at 50%, which is indicating neutral. The market is indecisive. A lot of investors don't actually know what to do. If you're paying attention to this BTC orders chart, you would notice the last time we got a bounce in 2021, we rallied into an aggressive altcoin season. Now, I think the bounce happened a few months ago. Sooner or later, we should begin to expect an aggressive rally to the upside, which is going to catapult altcoin into altcoin season. Now, if this is not happening, then we should expect the orders BTC chart to break below this trend line, flip it into a resistance, then it's going to be an official cancellation of altcoin season. But I think it's highly unlikely. I think we are almost at the finish line and we are definitely going to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Now, the reason why I said that is if you're paying attention to the MACD indicator for the orders BTC pair, you would notice, by the way, let's even talk about the BTC dominance chart real quick. Now, this is the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame. The last time the BTC dominance crashed in 2017, we had an aggressive altcoin season. The last time it crashed in 2021, we had an aggressive altcoin season. Now, we are expecting the entire market is now waiting for the crash to happen again for this 2025 before the market cycle comes to an end. The moment the crash is happening, then we are going to catapult ourselves into an altcoin season, which is going to take a lot of people by surprise, most especially people still sitting on the fence, people sideline waiting to get the perfect entry. I think the worst thing you would want to do is to try to time the exact entry or exact exit of whatever asset you want to enter. Now, I'll begin to scale out massively from my altcoin positions the moment the BTC dominance tapped into the 44 and 42% level, because I wouldn't want to be holding onto my bag to be used as an exit liquidity by the market makers or whales. I'm going to update you guys on the Telegram channel when that time comes to begin to scale out massively from your altcoins positions, whatever altcoin you're holding. You haven't had an actual altcoin season in this market cycle. If you're paying attention to the 2017 drop, we printed massive bearish histogram. Also, the MACD line and the signal line crossed below the signal, the zero line, and also below the histogram, which was when altcoin rallied aggressively. Same thing happened in 2021. We printed bearish histogram. The MACD line and the signal line crossed below the zero line and the histogram. We are yet to get that signal here. So sooner or later, we should begin to expect the MACD line and the signal line to cross below the zero line and the histogram to catapult us into an altcoin season. Like seriously. And if you're going back to the orders chart, you would notice same thing. The opposite stuff is about to happen on the MACD indicator for the orders against the BTC pair. The moment the MACD line and the signal line is the moment the MACD line is crossing above the signal line and both of the lines are crossing above the zero line and the histogram, and the moment we are seeing a green histogram being printed, that is an indication that we are about to rally aggressively into altcoin season. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Peace out.